We have all loved stir-fried vegetables rice noodles, but have you heard about stir-fried chickpeas? It is surprisingly very tasty. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for stir-fried chana are cornflour, olive oil, tomato ketchup, chilli sauce, cabbage, chana, bell peppers, salt, soya sauce, green chillies, pepper, celery leaves. First, take half cup cornflour. In that, we will put 1 cup chickpeas which are boiled. Just drain as much water as possible. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon pepper. And just mix this. Mix till the time all the chickpeas are coated with corn flour. This is done. Now we are going to deep fry this. Once the oil is heated, we are just going to deep fry them. Key to is that you don't overcook your chickpeas. This black thing is nothing, but it's just pepper. Once it's little golden brown, just remove it from oil. Do the same thing with the remaining chickpeas. First, we will take 1 tablespoon olive oil. Once that is heated, we will add 1 tablespoon celery leaves, half tablespoon green chillies, yellow and green capsicums, cabbage. Add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon chilli sauce, fried chickpeas which we just made, salt to taste, and soya sauce. And our stir-fried chana is ready to be served. Our stir-fried chickpeas is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you all are chickpea fan, check out hummus recipes which we have posted earlier. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.